This video is an overview of tutorials for 3D measurement and inspection solutions. Using connector pins as an example, we'll demonstrate how to set up a 3D measurement system. The built-in solution from Mech-MSR will assist parameter configuration for pin height measurement and inspection. Here's the general workflow. This collection of tutorials will guide you through each step. First, complete the hardware and software setup. This ensures the capture of high-quality image data, facilitating subsequent measurement processes. Next, process the data by performing alignment, filtering, and noise reduction. These aim to extract the surface data of the pin tips. Then, proceed to the measurement phase, where we'll locate the center points of the surface data and fit a reference plane. The measured distance gives the height of the corresponding pin. Afterward, inspect the workpiece. Based on configured quality judgment rules, the software performs a comprehensive inspection. Selected measurement items are assessed to determine if the workpiece meets quality standards. Subsequently, prepare for production line integration. To this end, conduct test runs and establish communication. Once the system can perform measurements properly, customize the production interface as needed to gain an intuitive view of the operating status, ensuring a stable inspection process. For more details, please refer to the following tutorials and our documentation.